Okay, so congrats on making end of course. I hope you are able to follow along with all the examples and session. And now you will be able to create a machine learning model using the ML.NET for your application, as well as able to use it in the ASP.NET Core. I will upload the source code of all the project that we have created throughout this series on GitHub. So if you're stuck anywhere or unable to solve it, then it will be helpful to you. And I will also upload a presentation so you can revise what you have learned throughout this series in a few minutes. In this series, I try to cover all the concept of the ML.NET which is required by the newbies to create a model, evaluate it, perform the production. And throughout this series, I have created some simple model with a small training set. I hope you will be able to use those concepts to make the complex model as per your requirement. You can also visit Microsoft official documentation as well as the SDK documentation if you have any queries. I have added the links for both of them in the resources section. I just want the last opportunity to say that if you have any question or feedback regarding the course, or if you want to touch with me via mail, or you can also post your query in the question and answer section or comments. So thanks again for taking the course and best luck for using ML.NET.